Hey, yeah, you watching this right now. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, your marks just stay the same? Like everyone else is moving ahead while you're stuck in the same cycle of procrastination, late nights, and burnout? I get it, I've been there. Endless notes, distractions everywhere, and still that fear that you're not good enough. But here's the truth, toppers aren't smarter than you. They just follow 5 small habits every day that make all the difference. And today, I'm going to break them down for you so you can start using them right now. Habit 1. Start the morning right. Your brain is freshest in the first 90 minutes after you wake up. Most students scroll on their phones or snooze again. But toppers use this window differently. Here's what you do. Wake up at the same time every day. Avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes. Pick your hardest subject and study it first. Why it works. Science shows your prefrontal cortex, the part that handles focus and problem solving, is sharpest in the morning. Even just 60 minutes of focused work in this window beats 3 hours of distracted evening study. Quick action. Tonight, set your alarm 30 minutes earlier. Tomorrow morning, tackle the subject that stresses you most. You'll feel unstoppable. Habit 2. Use focused blocks. Toppers don't study longer. They study smarter. The trick: use focused blocks like 50 minutes of full attention, then a 10-minute break. No scrolling, no multitasking. Why it works. The brain's attention span naturally dips after approximately 50 minutes. Breaks refresh memory and stop burnout. Quick action. Pick a timer. Work 50 minutes. Break 10. During break, stretch or drink water. Do this 3 to 4 times a day. You'll notice more content sticks without stress. Habit 3. Afternoon active recall and testing. Most students passively read notes. Toppers actively test themselves. Here's what you do. After studying, close the book and try to recall everything you learned. Teach it aloud to yourself or a friend. Use small quizzes or flashcards. Why it works. Active recall strengthens neural connections. Reading alone feels productive, but your brain forgets faster. Testing yourself makes learning permanent. Quick action. Tonight, take 10 minutes to write everything you remember from today's study. Don't peek. Feel the difference tomorrow. Habit 4. Evening reflection and micro-planning. Toppers plan tomorrow tonight. It's not just about studying, it's about direction. Here's what you do. Spend 5 minutes listing the 3 most important things you must complete tomorrow. Note distractions to avoid. Reflect what worked today, what didn't, why it works. Writing down tasks clears mental clutter and reduces procrastination. Your subconscious starts preparing while you sleep. Quick action. Before bed, grab a notebook. Jot down tomorrow's 3 priorities. Keep it simple. Your morning brain will thank you. Habit 5. Mindset and mini motivation. Throughout the day, toppers keep themselves motivated without depending on willpower alone. Here's what you do. Use micro moments of motivation. A 1-minute pep talk, visualizing goals, or listening to a 2-minute inspirational clip. Celebrate small wins. Finished a chapter. Take a moment to feel proud. Replace "I have to study" with "I get to study." It changes everything. Why it works. Motivation isn't constant, but habits are. Micro-motivation keeps your energy steady and stops burnout. Quick action. Every time you sit to study, say out loud, "I'm building my future right now." Simple but powerful. Conclusion and call to action. Listen, these 5 habits aren't hard, they're just small daily choices, but consistent choices separate toppers from the rest. Start with 1 habit today, then add the next. Before you know it, you're not just studying, you're leveling up your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends who are stuck in the same struggle, and don't forget to subscribe, because we're building habits, focus, and success together. Remember, you're not behind, you're just 1 habit away from changing everything.